It's working as told, looking fabulous, no harm, no damage. Still okay. Ultimate product. This product by Bosch was my best decision to go for. Works well and meets expectation. Consumes less water and cleans clothes like hand-washed clothes. Just push one button and it will take care of the wash program. Till now I saw it taking only quick wash, maybe due to less load. Works even better if you have full load. Has no fabric conditioner tray. Best washing machine in this price segment than other well-known brands like LG, Samsung, etc. So far, great performance. Cloudtail has my trust as usual. Minimal noise as I love to have. I installed myself, watched a YouTube video for demo and to know how it works. Not much of hustle except the perfect and non-leaking water connection. Bought it for 13,200 in offer. Made my life a single man, easy and smooth with full automation. Claimed guarantee online. Best thing about it, it's small size and quiet. Love Bosch. Germans don't fail at machines. Just that its dryer is less efficient than my semi-automatic one at home, but its much smaller size makes up for that foam. Very good and VFM product. Operation is noiseless, and cleanliness of clothes were found to be good. Moreover, timely delivery and installation within 48 hours. Bosch engineer explained the operating procedures very well. Nice. Works well. Low noise. Delivery was prompt from Amazon as expected. Packaging was good. The product is absolutely brilliant. No noise. Better washing than the competitor. Quick wash is really good and quick indeed. Easy to navigate through the programs. But little hard to understand initially. Overall good product from Bosch. Got the product delivered earlier than expected. Further procedures was very fast. Installation done in the very next day itself. Overall design, functionality, features are satisfactory. Better choice for a family with 4 members. Previously I had got Reg fully automatic washing machine, but due to reasons such as high water intake and no different wash cycles, I replaced the same with Bosch on receiving a very good review of this product from my friend. I must say I made the best decision. Pros: 1. Tough body made 2. Have many options to use according to type of clothes and duration of wash. 3. Low water intake. 4. Clean clothes in one wash. 5. Separate inlet for liquid and powder detergent. 6. An additional refresh cycle of just 15 minutes for the not very dirty/office clothes. 7. Drum drying option to dry the clothes to next level. 8. Budget friendly. 9. Less noisy. 10. Free installation. Cons: short wire. Maybe I will update my review on facing some issue. I am using it from 3 months. Not faced any issue yet. Bosch washing machine are the good wash clothes. Cloth are too soft after wash. Thank you Amzo. Nice product. Especially this machine is highly efficient for all clothes and the price is much cheaper than other brands. Must buy this one. Nice product, easy to wash. Great delivery, quick installation, good price and good washing machine with many auto features. Working great, use today. Thanks Amazon. It has 10 years motor warranty, which is a plus. 2 years is the normal warranty. Value for money. Quality of the product is good. This machine is enough for a small family. Installation done in 48 hours, prompt and safe delivery of product, excellent coordination and support from Bosch for installation, good discount by Amazon, best option and cost in this range. Machine works good, installation done within 72 hours. As they said, worth spending money on this product. Credit goes to suppliers and Bosch. Thanks to everyone. Using this machine from 3 to 4 weeks. Great design. Superb build-up quality. Easy manual settings. Washing quality is on par. Overall a good machine to look forward to as it provides 6.5 kilograms capacity. Looking at the price segment, which makes it a value for money product. Browse, machine produces way. A very good washing machine in this price range. Got this during a sale. I was initially apprehensive about making such a big investment through e-commerce sites. However, I trusted Amazon and got this product. Coming to the washing machine, it is easy to operate and also produces negligible noise during wash and dry cycles. Clothes are quite clean and also 75 to 80% dry post entire wash cycle. Also the machine is very intelligent and analyzes the amount of clothes in the washing machine and decides the water level, program, etc. automatically. The biggest advantage is that this is a German product. Their products are quite reliable, and also has a long duration for warranty. Strongly recommend to buy this washing machine in case anyone is looking to buy one. Coming to the cons, the installation was badly done during the. Click link in description for more reviews.